Hello everyone, good morning. So this is Dinesh here, and today we are going to talk about one most important topic which I call it as the path towards becoming a professional trader. Okay, all you people who are actually watching it might be new to stock market, or some people who are already in the stock market for so many years, okay, and want to improve more. So one of the most important part, okay, is the learning path, which I would say, because I've coached a lot of people, and one of the common mistakes which people are doing is that they are jumping into various products, risky products, without understanding the foundation about it. For example, let's say, what are the products that we have? What are the products that we have for us to trade? Okay, we have equity, where we can do intraday trading and position trading. Correct? So we have derivatives, where we have futures and options. Okay. So yeah, apart from equity, we have commodity segment and also currency segment. Okay. So we have in commodities, we might be like able to see, like, for example, gold, silver, natural gas, so many other things. In currency, we have normally four different pairs. One is USD INR, GBP INR, Euro INR, and JPY INR. Okay, so let me tell you the learning process and what is a common mistake which people are doing. When it comes to stock market, right, people are always thinking about profits, of course. Okay, most of the people are coming telling that, okay, I want to make huge profits. The problem is that more than understanding the process, more than understanding the concept, people are more focused on making profits, that to quick profits, which is the reason why most of the people, as soon as they start getting into stock market, they jump into derivatives, okay, getting into futures and options, okay, without understanding the risk involved in it. Because if you know that, okay, the general concept is that higher the returns, higher the risk. Okay, when a product is actually giving you high returns, it always means that there's a high risk involved or comes along with it. Okay, but most of us are only focusing on the returns, and without understanding the risk involved in it, are jumping into the product and ending up losing a lot of money. That's the reason you might have heard a lot of people, hey, I came into stock market, and within first 1.5 year, 2 years, they would be saying that I have lost so many lakhs, okay, and so I have to go out of stock market within a first 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, like that. What is the reason? Because they are actually focusing on making quick money, okay, wanting to become rich in just 1 month or 1 year, like that, and putting so much of capital, okay, maybe taking loans, withdrawing BF, borrowing money from friends or family, and so on, and trying to put into risky products and ending up losing a lot of money. Let me tell you, always when you want to become a professional trader, see, trading is a business. I would consider trading as a business, because when you consider trading, right, okay, it is completely depending upon you. Okay, you are the whole, like, owner of this particular business. Okay, it all depends on your skill set. You don't need any employees, you don't need any fixed place for any business, right? There's a lot of cost involved in it. There is not much cost involved in this. The only thing that is required is that, okay, the skill set that you are going to develop over the period of time, okay, and yeah, another laptop and internet connection, that's it. So when you're actually considering this as a business, okay, and you're not going to do it for only 1 year or 5 years or 10 years, you want to do this for a lifetime, right? Everybody here is planning to do this for a lifetime. That's because some people want to do this for a lifetime for earning side income, or some for as a part-time trader, or some people want to become a full-time trader. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, some people are like want to do the job and also want to do this trading as a part-time, or some people want to do it full-time. Okay, it's up to the individual how you want to do it. But you want to do this for a long period of time, till your lifetime, maybe, right? So if that is the scenario, that is the situation, okay, you have to focus on developing your skill first and not only focusing on the profits. Okay, because a lot of people I've said 99% of people who are running behind profits are not making any money. Okay, they're not focusing on the process of learning. They are more focused on the outcomes, and that's the reason they are more focused on getting that outcome returns in a much better, faster manner, getting into futures or options and risky products. And without understanding the risk involved in them, they are actually losing a lot of money. Maybe losing entire capital within a very short period of time. So what I suggest to you all, okay, when you are taking this, if you are very serious about it, always start with equity. Okay, always start with equity. That too, position trading. To start with, do position trading, and then once you get the hang of it, and if you are actually, once you actually are very clear, okay, how to apply the concepts, how to do position trading and so on, and you are able to do it consistently, because consistency is the key. You're able to do it consistently, then you can, if you are having a lot of time on a daily basis, and if you are planning to do intraday, yeah, then comes the first is position trading, then comes the intraday trading. Intraday trading depends on individuals. If you're a person who doesn't have time at all, and you feel that I can't spend time at all during the, from morning till evening during the market hours, then don't go for intraday. Okay, position trading. Okay, so people who want to spend, who have time and want to actually do intraday trading can do it. Okay, next one. After this, people can go into, I would say, futures, and then finally options. Okay, or yeah, during this period of, because why I'm saying because after this, because this, the risk involved in equity is comparatively very less when you compare with derivatives. Okay, that's the reason I say go with equity first. Understand the concepts, understand this, whatever technical answers that you're using, understand them, practice them more and more, develop your skill set, and then come to the risky products. Okay, because this, at this point of time, you will be aware about your skill set, you know how to use your concepts in futures and options, and then apply them in real time. Okay, make sure that, because amount of risk that is involved in futures and options is very high. Okay, take it for granted that if a product is actually giving you higher returns, normally there will be, like ideally there will be higher risk involved in it. Okay, so only once you actually complete and you are actually able to actually be very confident about yourself on your skill set, then move to derivatives. Okay, and during, once this is done, right, you can actually start trading in commodities and currencies as well. I'll tell you what, commodities and currencies has a huge opportunities. Like, you can actually check when you're actually analyzing on this, right, when you're seeing this, commodities and currencies has huge opportunities for all of us. Okay, the, when, because obviously you have to do in options or futures. Most likely in futures is what you'll be doing, because there'll be good liquidity in that. At that point of time, the amount of profit potential which these products give is very good. Okay, it's extremely good. So this is the process which I want you to follow, because this is a simple process, but most of them do in a different way and ending up losing a lot of money. Simple things in stock market are costing a lot of money for a lot of traders. Okay, don't get into that. So start with this. Okay, because I know that a lot of people always want to focus on derivatives because there's a lot of money in it, but understand that without the skill set, okay, this can actually like be destructive. You may end up losing all your capital as well. So be aware about the risk involved in it, and make sure that you follow a process, okay, which is going to help you become professional trader, and also is going to help you in the long run. Okay, this is what I always say to my participants as well, and they are able to really do very good in the journey, which is what I want all of you to do it as well. Okay, so take care. I'll come up with the next video with more interesting concepts, and till then, take care.